Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So, are you excited to see what is inside my new craft shopping? So, I'm quickly opening my box and today I got every material from Itsy Bitsy. There were discount going on, so I just grabbed new things which I have thought to buy from many days, and I'm showing you all the items one by one. So this is the silk cotton thread, and I have bought an olive green color. You can use these in envelopes or cards or anything. And also I bought the poster premium poster color from Camlin in olive green color. They also supply stationery items. And then the next thing I bought is jewelry essentials beads in black and pink color. I will surely try to create something beautiful out of these beads. Then the next thing I bought is this beautiful silk paper in silver and gold color. I just love the shiny effect of the paper, and it's very light in weight, and you can use this on envelopes, cards, scrapbooks, mixed media layouts. Even you can use these papers as a backdrop for your quilling designs, and it will look awesome, just like a jute background. So I have in silver and gold color. Now, this is the very interesting things which I bought are the pearl drops. Yes, you can create your own pearl drop effect on the cards. So I bought in green, pink and clear color. So one by one I'm showing you how it looks on the paper. So just open the bottle and squeeze your bottle and create a drop. So the more you squeeze, the bigger drop you will get. And after drying it becomes hard, so there is no issue of spreading it. Now this is the baby pink shade, and the third one is clear one. I just love the clear one most because after drying it gives you the original water drop effect, and see how dimensional it is looking. So I have already put one clear drop here and it's completely dried, and can you see it is looking like a water drop, real water drop effect. So in this way you can create the beautiful drops to decorate your cards or scrapbook layouts. I'm just loving this. Now the next thing is these fussy cut tag sheets. So the original price of the tag sheet is 100 rupees, but the 80% discount were going on these tag sheets, so I just grabbed it in 19 rupees only. So I have in Lotus Gallery, it's a boy theme. Then the next one is Little Prince. Then I bought Little Princess, Mermaid World, Succulent Patch, Sunflower Meadow, Sunny Roses, and Rose Valley. And in each pack you will get two sheets. So can you imagine, only 19 rupees is the cost of 2 sheets with lots of elements. Now the next thing I bought is this Purple Passion 12 by 12 pattern paper pack. This is having 250 GSM thickness and having total 12 designs, and these journaling cards, pre-cut doilies and some fussy cut elements. So one by one I am showing you the each pattern of this beautiful paper pack. You will get these beautiful journal tags. These are pre-cut out doilies. You just need to pop it out and it's ready to use. And these are some fussy cut elements. I'm just loving the shade card of purple and very gorgeous cardstocks. Then I have bought one more cardstock called Songs of the Sea, which is also a 12 by 12 inches cardstock in 12 different designs, and this is also having 250 GSM thickness. These are acid free cardstocks and you can use these in a sea theme or underwater theme projects, and this have wonderful printing and each and every paper have its own unique concept. This one I like the most because it is having jute kind of effect, though I loved every card or every pattern very much. See, this is also looking nice. This is an ombre effect cardstock, and this is again a pre-cut doily. You just need to pop it out and ready to use. Then this is a fussy cut element sheet. You just need to fussy cut it. And the last one is journal tags. Every tag has the beautiful prints. So this is about the Song of Sea paper collection. Now, the next thing I bought is the One Step Crackle medium. I have tried it before with other brand, but I was waiting to try this with the Little Birdie. So here I am taking this mount board piece which I have already colored with red chalk paint, and now it's dried. So I am going to apply my One Step Crackle medium using paintbrush. Allow it to dry completely. So it's dried, and now I'm taking my another chalk paint in white shade. This is also from Little Birdie, which I recently bought, and I'm just opening it and making small strokes using my brush. So the smaller the strokes, you will get small cracks, and if you create big strokes, you will get the big cracks. So it's all up to you what kind of cracks you are looking for. So I just cover whole surface, allow it to dry, and can you see after drying small cracks are appearing, and it's looking very beautiful in live. So in this way you can create your own backgrounds on MDFs, cardboard or cardstocks. Now the next thing I bought is metallic wax in silver color. You have seen me using gold colored wax, but from long time I want to use this silver one. So here I am taking this clay design which I have created using mold, and I have just applied black chalk paint on this, and now I am just applying my silver wax on top of this using my fingers, and you will see the raised part will get covered with wax, and it will give you very nice antique metallic look. Can you see this, how beautiful it is looking? In this way you can create your own ornaments in antique look. So I'm just loving this wax very much. Now this is the new thing for me. This is embossing textured paste, and I'm also trying it for first time. So I'm showing you how to use this. So I bought in green and white color. I'm showing you in green first. So just opening my bottle quickly. you will get this fine paste inside this bottle. And here I am taking my white cardstock and this leaf stencil by Little Birdie. This is the old stencil which I bought before, very long ago. And now using my spatula, I am just applying the paste over the stencil. Just cover whole area. Now remove the stencil slowly, and now I'm just heat drying it using my heat tool. And are you ready to see the magic? So see how beautiful and raised each and every part has become. And I'm just loving this effect very much. You can use this paste in mixed media projects or in the cards, and it will give you very nice and different look. So they have many more shades in their store. Now the next one I bought is this beautiful thin cut die in the bunch of rose and leaf design. So after die cutting, it looks like this. You can just use this bunch to decorate your cards or scrapbooks. And the other thing I bought is the clear stamp, which is based on birthday theme, and it has different stamps and sentiments which you can use to decorate your cards. Soon I will come with the project using these stamps. Then I bought this sparkle paste in white and gold color. So I am showing you the white one. Just quickly opening the bottle. And using the red color cardstock circle for the base, and this polka dot stencil by Little Birdie. And using the palette knife, I am just applying this beautiful glitter paste on top of this. Now just remove the stencil slowly, and can you see how beautiful the sparkle design is looking on the base? In this way you can create your own backgrounds for card with the very different look. I'm just loving this outcome. So this is all about my shopping from Itsy Bitsy. I have given link in description box of each and every item, and if you want to purchase anything, I have given the code, that is Shivani 5611. So while checking out from the cart, if you apply the code Shivani 5611, you will get 5% discount instantly of your total shopping amount. So don't miss this chance and grab this deal as soon as possible. So that is for today, and my video is done. Hope you enjoyed my craft haul. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.